saying goodbye sucks. I miss him already. Today is the last day of our beautiful Chiang Mai apartment and this glorious view. We used to wake up to this view every single morning from our bed. That's a mess right now. So bittersweet.
Alright, I'm just gonna leave it open for him.
Okay. Bye-bye.
Don't close the door.
I'm not. Giving it love. Sadder than leaving the apartment. I'm sadder to not be with this cute nut for 2 weeks. Hello! Happy checkout day! Time to call the Grab. I'm doing it. Hey friends, la popcorn my car someday. Bye. Sawadee ka. So our gate closes in 15 minutes and we're in Chiang Mai, stuck in morning traffic.
Because all the surrounding schools, for some reason this morning, decided to come to the Chiang Mai University.
Literally, like there's thousands of kids here and thousands of buses.
We couldn't have planned for this.
No. But it's okay. We've already kind of come to terms with the fact that, you know, if we have to buy a ticket there, we gave ourselves a long enough layover to not have to do that. But whatever. It's fine. We'll see. We'll see.
We'll figure it out.
I don't know. The little dot to the airport looks far. So if you guys haven't seen our Japan vlog when we were going from Hakone over to Thailand.
We cut it just as close.
We were at the gate 8 minutes before it closed. Literally, we had been trekking from Hakone, which is like a city super duper far away.
That was our mistake,
for like
too.
3 hours. I don't even know.
It was horrible. We were up at like 5:30 a.m. and then had to like catch 4 different trains.
Yeah.
Was it? We took a bullet train. That was pretty cool.
Yeah.
But like, we barely made it.
Literally, we were running, and I know 8 minutes doesn't sound as dramatic as it probably should, but when you've been up since 5 and doing nothing but taking the train that left, the first train that left each station for like 3 hours, being there 8 minutes before is way too close for comfort. We earned that flight. Real MVP over here, speeding all the way for us and cutting people off. Love her. Also something we didn't account for, there's security to go into the airport. Like, not even at your gate yet. Oh my gosh. By some miracle, we made it. It wasn't checking an hour before the flight, it was checking 45 minutes. Which great, because we were cutting it really close.
Way too close for comfort.
I feel like this is what happens every time, guys.
Wait, what gate are we at?
That's a great question. Domestic departures. In summary, if you're coming and flying with us, tell us to leave 2 hours before. No less. Like, don't wake up 2 hours before. Leave the house, be dressed, be in your Grab 2 hours before. So we thought that this airport had a lounge, but it has a lounge, it's just not a priority pass lounge.
Well, they do have a priority pass, it's just international, and we're flying domestic for the first one.
I don't like it. We didn't eat breakfast. I would have had cow soy one last time.
Right?
Yeah, but it's fine. We're having a really overpriced chicken wrap. It's gonna be great. So after being delayed for a few minutes, we are finally gonna be boarding our flight to Bangkok, and then we're gonna go lounge shopping. Kapunka. Sawadee ka.
Can't help the way that I'm feeling when I'm with you. You are weighing me down. Can't help the rhythm.
So we have just gotten off our flight, and now we are about to make our way into the main portion of the airport, because we actually, since we kind of connected our own flight, we have to go pick up our bag, check back into the into the airport, go back through security and customs, and we actually had our friends at the hotel write us out like, this is a connecting flight in Thai, so that way we don't have the trouble that we had last time, which we'll link that video up above. I don't think we actually showed the issue that we had, but we talked at length about it.
Till we bring one more night, one more fight, sleep it off, then we play it safe. We hide away inside our cage. One mistake, till we bring one more night.
So it's cool for us to say this now, because by the time that this video comes out, my family and his family would have already gotten all of the souvenirs.
Yeah.
But we have gone a little crazy. We love our families, and we have never been in a financial position, not that we're really in a financial position now,
Yeah.
but we've never been in a financial position to really like splurge on them and get them a whole bunch of gifts. So it really helped being in Thailand, where everything is like super duper cheap. And so we literally like have one bag that weighs 60 pounds, and it's just
ridiculous.
filled with gifts.
It's filled with like all the different sauces that you can't get back home, everything.
And so it's like our Santa Claus bag.
Yeah.
I'm coming back and being Santa.
Oh, it's really sweet watching couples like reunite out here.
Oh, don't make me cry, because we're not there yet.
I know, we're 2 weeks away from that. But something that I'm super excited about,
Is
having
me
so
running
much.
into your arms,
Yes.
and you carrying me.
That's what I was going to talk about. Not the fact that we have so much crap now with all the souvenirs that I get to drive in these buggies, which is never warranted
No.
because we never have enough stuff.
We always like have our carry-ons, and now again with like a 60-pound bag, it is what it is.
Yeah. Wow, so we're going to have to finagle this.
Absolutely. But we are master finaglers.
We are master finaglers. It's just really stressful while you're going through it.
Yeah.
Because if they're just having a bad day and don't like you, we're sitting out here for the next 6 hours.
Longer.
Oh, I think 6 hours in front we could finagle it, but that's still time not
long
spent
time.
lounge eating.
Yeah.
So the goal today was to show you guys all of the awesome airport lounges that Bangkok has.
And I may still be able to show you.
She may. We got denied. We last time we played the it's a connecting flight thing, because it is, and they let us through, making it seem as if like that's what should happen. So we went to do the same thing today, and they said no.
Yeah.
And everyone was very mean about it. Like
So mean.
there was not one nice person about it. We spoke to like 4 different people.
Everybody here was in a bad mood today. And it's my birthday tomorrow. And I'm saying bye to Daniel today. And so I wasn't in a good mood either. I was really nice, but I was sad.
So we are going to kill the next 6 hours before I have to get on a flight, and then she's got to kill the next 4 hours after that.
Yeah. Also known as, it is 2 o'clock and my flight leaves at 1:05 in the morning. Now, there's still, I think, a couple of hours before Daniel can check in for his flight, though I'm probably going to keep him for 4 more hours.
Sorry guys for not filming. We're trying to spend as much time with each other as possible.
And we also didn't want to show you all of the ugly crying that's been happening for the last hour.
We're not pretty when we cry.
No, literally, one day we're gonna have to put our wedding video. Maybe it'll go right here. Or maybe we'll just keep that locked in a record.
We're gonna keep that locked away real tight for all of you who were at our wedding. We love you guys again, but they saw like
we
the
literally,
waterworks.
we literally couldn't get through our vows. It was, we really love each other, and we get like each other all like emotionally worked up. Anyway, now we have gotten our electronics situated so that they could all charge. We've got some computer action here. We've got this wonderful handsome man, and we got some chairs that our nice friend Niall let us switch so that we could watch our stuff.
As part of getting ready for Australia, I actually have to go change the rest of the bot that we have into Australian dollars. So I'm gonna go ahead and do that now before I get to the other side of airport security, and I'm not able to do that. And then I'm stuck with a bunch of money that's useless in Australia. Can somebody mind? Can I change this for Australian dollars? Yes. Ah, thank you. And do I get it at the 24 Australian dollars, or is it 21? 24? Okay. Welcome cup. Thank you.
Y'all, there's about a 99.9% chance that I'm gonna start crying. I apologize in advance.
So I just went and got my bags weighed and have to finagle everything to where it fits the weight limit.
So Daniel has to leave in 15 minutes, a little less than 15 minutes.
It's only 2 weeks.
I know. But it's the longest time. I really went hard. Yeah. I'm on it. Saying goodbye sucks. I miss him already. Finally got checked in for my flight. Still a little sad that Daniel's leaving, but now going to lunch. Alrighty guys, this is my new friend Jess. We're heading to the lounge. We have found one that's called the Miracle First Class Lounge. I don't know if it's the best one, but I think we're gonna lounge hop today and get some food because I'm starving and I need a lot of coffee because yes, that too. Because my flight, at least, I need to stay up basically until 7 o'clock my time, which means hashtag no sleep for 24 hours. Haven't pulled one of those since college, but we're gonna rock it, guys.
And this is the Wi-Fi for 2.
Perfect. Kapunka. Okay. Now, after spending a really nice, long time in the lounge, time to catch my flight to Beijing. It is currently 12:15 a.m. I think the flight is 4 hours long, but don't quote me on that. Good morning, guys. We just made it to Beijing. It has been a solid 22 hours since I've had any proper sleep. I now have a 6-hour layover, so we're gonna get off. I'm gonna find a lounge and hopefully take a nap. Holy guacamole, why didn't nobody tell me it was gonna be freezing? I'm like running to the bus, this is so cold. Okay, been in.
The train for Terminal 3C is approaching.
We are arriving at Terminal 3C. All passengers, please get off the train with all your belongings.
I'm following this herd of people. I don't really know where I'm going. I'm on the quest for the 4th floor. They told me I have to go outside. It looks like I'm going back through China Customs. Yeah. Made it off the train, finally have my boarding passes, and now I'm gonna find the lounge because I still have 3 hours. For the no sleep I've gotten, I don't know if it's just delusional or all of the coffee that I've been having over the last few hours has hit, but I'm surprisingly awake. I finally made it to the lounge, but guys, I am so tired, so I'm gonna have to let you go right here. I will see you in Florida.
I just don't like the sound. Could you please make some room and get out?